Alkadivinity, greetings everyone. Subscribe below for more content. Today we'll be making Alkafritters. We're going to first off by thoroughly rinsing our vegetables, then chopping up our parsley, adding some lime and putting it in the refrigerator for later toppings as well. And the lime giving it an extra nice, extraordinary kick, as well as chopping up our zucchini, our green peppers, and a nice onion as well. As we dice up our bell peppers, finally, we're going to insert all vegetables inside a nice bowl. Season it to taste as I add Himalayan salt, cayenne, cumin, oregano, and basil. Afterwards, we're going to get ready for our chickpea flour for every 2 cups, for every pound of chickpea flour. Once we insert that, we add in the spices that we added within our vegetables to give it that extra kick and nice taste. Afterwards, we're going to combine the vegetables inside. I didn't add all vegetables. I saved some just for a quick appetizer and let the cooking begin. So as I say some of the vegetables, I decided just to go ahead and I was hungry, so I cooked a quick meal and just go ahead and cook the stir fry with that, with a little bit of coconut amino. And that was the first appetizer. Now let's get into the delicious Alkafritters. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious. You have to try it. So after I put the pan in, I had preheated the stove to 6, medium preheat, medium high, and as I did that, oh my goodness, I make sure I got an even texture, and if not, I added more just to give it that extra cakey, thick texture, and I let them sit more on the skillet to give it the size a more better, crisper taste. As they came out so wonderful and delicious, I hope you enjoy.